Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 2, My Body. Okay? So now we are going to start with warm up. Play the game, follow the leader. One student will be the leader. The leader will do the different actions like waving hands, tapping toes and blinking eyes. The rest of the class will follow the actions of the leader. Now suppose we are having one leader. If the leader is going to clap the hands, then even you have to clap your hands like this. Okay? So what our leader is going to do, we are going to do the same thing in the class. Now what we are going to see in this lesson? So parts of my body, uses of my body parts and sense organs. Now did you know human teeth are very hard? Now children, can you break your teeth? No, we cannot break our teeth because our teeth are very hard. Now body parts have different names. Draw lines to match the body parts in the picture with their names. Now can you see the picture of a boy? Yes, now we are having different body parts. And how we are having names? Like you all are having names. In the same way, our body parts also have names like head, neck, hand, elbow, stomach, knee, foot, shoulder, arm, finger, chest, leg, ankle and toe. Okay, so these are our body parts. Now these are our hands, we are having our eyes, we are having our nose, ears, stomach. So here what we have to do? Here we are going to match the words with the picture. Now uses of body parts. Children, we are having different body parts, right? So we use our body parts for different work. Now hand. So we clap with our hand. We write with our hand. We draw with our hand. Okay. We eat our food with our hand. We write with our hand. So this is what we can do with our hands. Now what the boy is doing? He is clapping. Now what this boy is doing? He is doing painting. What this girl is doing? She is writing. And when you are eating your food, so you eat your food with the help of your hand. Now this is what we do with our legs. Now can you see? This activity we do with our legs. Now see, this boy is running, this boy is jumping, this girl is doing skipping. Now we have fingers and thumb on each hand. Now can you see this hand? So this is your thumb, okay, and these are your fingers. Now each finger has a special name. Now what is this? This is a thumb. Okay, now this finger is a pointer finger. Now when teacher is telling you keep your finger and read, so how you read? This is what we do with our legs. So this is your pointer finger. Next, this one. So this is your middle finger. Why we call it middle finger? Because we are having 5 fingers. So 2 this side, 2 this side. So this one is the middle finger. Then this finger. So this finger is your ring finger. Okay, now why we call it ring finger? Because we wear our ring in this finger. So this is our ring finger. Next one is baby finger. Why we call it baby finger? Because this is the smallest finger. Okay, so this is our thumb, this is our pointer finger, this is our middle finger, this is our ring finger and this is our small finger. The end of our foot has 5 toes. Now how you are having fingers in your hand? In the same way, in your foot you are having 5 toes. The largest toe is the big toe. Okay. and the smallest toe is the little toe. Now how you are having baby finger? In the same way, in your leg, the little toe is the smallest toe is the little toe. Now this is my face. Okay, so this is your face. Eyes help us to see because we see with our eyes. Ears helps us to hear. Now see, when when you play the music, okay, so how you come to know that the music is going around? With the help of your ear. The chicks below my forehead looks round and red. Now can you see the chicks? Okay, so the chicks are round and red. Now the mouth above my chin makes me eat, talk and grin. Now this is your chin. Now this is your mouth. Now what you do with your mouth? You eat your food, you talk with the help of your mouth. Now do you remember a poem? Chubby chicks. So chubby chicks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Mother's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. So in that poem, the poet had described the body parts. Now sense organs. So children, there are 5 sense organs in our body. Now how many sense organs are there? So there are 5 sense organs in our body. Okay, 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, skin, ear and tongue. These are 5 sense organs. Now see children, these are the most important sense organs because eyes. So today we can see the beautiful world because of our eyes. So we see with our eyes. Then nose. So we smell with our nose. You know when mama is making tasty food in the kitchen, then how you come to know? Because of your nose. Then skin. Okay, now see, when you are touching something hot, okay, how you come to know that this thing is hot? Because of your skin. When teddy bear is there, so you touch the soft teddy bear. How you come to know that the teddy bear is soft? Because of your skin organ. Then ear. So we hear with our ear. Now children, see, you know when somebody is calling you, how you come to know that somebody is calling you? Because of the ear. Now tongue. Now we taste with our tongue, right? When mama is making food and when there is no salt in the food, so how you come to know that there is no salt in the food? With the help of your tongue. We sense different things with our sense organs. So eyes helps to see, nose helps to smell, skin helps to feel, ears help to hear, tongue helps to taste. Now complete the sentences. We dash with the eyes. So we see with the eyes. Next, we dash with the nose. So we smell with the nose. Third, we dash with the tongue. So we taste with the tongue. Fourth, we dash with skin. So we feel with skin. Then we dash with the ears. So we hear with the ears. Now wrap up our body parts and sense organs. Now, which are the body parts? We are having head, neck, shoulder, chest, arm, elbow, hand, fingers, stomach, leg, knee, ankle, foot and toe. Now which are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, so eyes help to see, nose helps to smell, ears help to hear, tongue helps to taste, and skin helps to feel. Now come to the next page, children. So now we are going to start with evaluate. First is choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. I use my dash to walk school. So when we are walking, which body part we use? So we use our legs. Second, I nod my dash to say yes or no. So I nod my head. Third, I use my dash to clap. So which body part you are using to clap? Your hands. Fourth one, I bend my dash to sit on the floor. So I bend my knees. B. Fill in the missing letters to know the words. First, we see with the help of eyes. Second, we feel with the help of skin. Third one, we hear with the help of ears. C. Answer in one or two words. Name any one sense organ. So, I will write eyes, ears, nose. Okay. Then which sense organ helps us to smell? So, we smell through our nose. Now write the names of the body parts in the given box. Okay. So this is your forehead. Second, this is your eye. This is your mouth. This is your ear. This is your cheek. This is your chin. Now E. Get busy. The grid below has the names of the parts of a face. Find them, circle the words you have found in the word box. One has been done for you. Now eyes. So EYES, eyes. Next one is lips. LIPS, lips. Next one is ears. EARS, ears. Next one is mouth. MOUTH, mouth. Okay, children. Now name the sense organs that will be used in each of the following case. Now eyes. So how we will come to know that the eyes is cold? With the help of our skin. Now the elephant is big. So how you will come to know that the elephant is big? With the help of your eyes. Next one, see, the phone is ringing. So how you will come to know that the phone is ringing? With the help of your ears. Next one, the flower smells sweet. So how you will come to know that the flower smells sweet? With the help of your nose. Now the candy tastes is sweet. So how will come to know about it? With the help of your tongue. Now B. In the space given below, draw a face and label the sense organs. Here you have to draw the face. See how your face is done. Okay, and then you have to write the sense organs. So here we have finished our lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you, children.